Okay, let's do a little bit of data analysis in R. Very basic Boxplot. So let's say we have a small data set. So data, we assign just this name to our data with the assign command, and then C. Let's say we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's do 8 as well. Okay, so that is our data set. Good, great. And now we want to do a box and whisker plot, and that's very simple in R. So all we need to do is we write Boxplot of the data and press enter, and we get a beautiful box plot here in our files or plots pane. So look at the tab here. So we've got the box plot here. Here are the whiskers, and here is the median and the quartiles. So the gray area, of course, is the interquartile range. We can, of course, make this box plot a little bit nicer, a little bit labels would not go amiss. So we just simply write Boxplot, and we give it a label on the x-axis. So for example, we say this is x label should be, let's call it group 1. So that would give a label on the x-axis. Here we also say for the y-axis, ylab equals our data. And let's give it a nice title. Say we want to call it Boxplot. So this is main equals Boxplot of data. And let's see what happens if we press enter in this case. Well, it looks all good. And voila, we've got our x-axis, our data label here, and a title for it. And what we could do is, if we so wish, we go to the export and click on copy to clipboard and then copy the plot. So very easy way to visualize data.